Hello students, today's topic is system analysis and design. In that, we are going to learn about what is system and its elements, what is analysis and design. System analysis and design. We will cover up the topic nature of systems and system analysis concepts. Definition of system. What is system? It is orderly grouping of interdependent components. Means system is collection of components or parts and these parts are interdependent. They are linked together according to a plan. Means these components are linked together as per the plan, and these are done to achieve a specific objective or goal. Now, the question is why systems are used. Systems are created to solve problems. One can think of the systems approach as an organized way of dealing with a problem. Means systems are used to deal with our problems and achieve a specified goals. In this dynamic world, thus system analysis and design means said mainly deals with the software development activities. As we know, system is group of interdependent components linked together to achieve a specified goals. But how it works? A collection of components that work together to realize some objectives forms a system. Basically, there are three major components in every system, that is input, processing and output. We are providing input, the system will make process, and after that it will give required output. So, as we learn, the objective of the system demands that some output is produced as a result of processing the suitable inputs. A well-designed system also includes an additional element referred to as control that provides a feedback to achieve desired objectives of the system. It means in system, additional elements are included to control the system to achieve desired objectives. In a system, the different components are connected with each other and they are interdependent. For example, human body. If we consider human body as a system, in that we are having different body parts and these all parts are interdependent to each other. It represents a complete natural system. We are also bound by many national systems such as political system, economic system, educational system and so forth. Other examples. These all are examples of system like computer system, business system, hotel, library, college, university and many more. For example, if we consider computer as a system because it is made of different parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU and many more. So same way, these all are system and these systems are made of different components that are linked together to achieve a specified goals. Business system or information system. Information system plays vital role in the businesses and operations, enterprise collaboration and management and strategic success of business that must operate in an internetworked global environment. It means these systems are set of interrelated procedures, and these systems are designed to support decision making by the people associated with the enterprises in the process of achieving its objectives. What is analysis? Analysis is the process of breaking a complex topic or substance into smaller parts to gain a better understanding of it. It means it is a process of collecting and interpreting facts, identifying the problems, and decomposition of a system into its components to gain a better understanding. Analysis characteristics. The purpose of analysis in the planned change process is to facilitate decision making. Analysis clarifies the nature and dynamics of the change opportunity and relevance of possible responses. So, with the help of analysis, we can better understand the problem. Systems analysis and design. What is systems analysis? Process of studying an existing system to determine how it works and how it meets user needs is system analysis. It means analysis specifies what the system should do. And what is system design? Process of developing a plan for an improved system based upon the results of the system's analysis is system design. Means system design focuses on how to accomplish the objective of the system. Thank you.